The Lord watches over me as a shepherd. Nothing is missing from my life. He draws me into fields of living green and rests my steps beside still whispering waters. My weary soul is restored.